this song, I want to take permission from our respected singer sister K.S. Chitra ji and singer daughter Anusri ji. Please give me the permission for singing this song. Thank you very much for your highness. It would be very kind of you if you give me the permission for singing this song. Second live telecast is going on at this time. Still the hearing and mishearing is strictly fully prohibited. Underaged and undesirable persons are fully still prohibited for hearing this song. All the Indian classical music lovers and high gentry family members are most welcome in this program. ज्ञानं मया कथयर्यादिनी प्रतिच्छाययानि मनुमिन्दनं इंसुकुमिंसुकामिनि जैवानि जीवानि निन्नागमणिबालिकाय मधुचरण पोले मणिकणं पोले मयमो गानं कोडमेले मयमो नीयन मणिमेले अम्बिले निन्ने पुल्की अम्बरं पोकियान मेघमाय अम्बिले निन्ने पुल्की अम्बरं पोकियान मेघमाय चिरचन्द्रया यानारोमणि विडरन्निल नीर पुंटारमाय ओरंगो कणव कणुन नाणाय यूसणयुम्बो मलर कोडी पोले मलवर तुली पोले मयमो नियन मणिमेले मयमो नियन मणिमेले हरिरो हरिरारो हरिरो हरिरारो अम्बिले निन्न पुल्की अम्बरं पोकियान मेघमाय अम्बिले निन्न पुल्की अम्बरं पोकियान मेघमाय नीरसन्ध्यया यानारोमणि വിടറിന്നിൽ നീയൊരു പൊണ്ടാരമായി ഉറങ്ങൂ കണവ് കൊണ്ടുണ്ടാണായ ക്ഷണയുമ്പോ മലർ കൊടി പോലെ മലർ കൊടി പോലെ വർണ്ണ തൊടി പോലെ മയമോ നീയൻ മണിമേലേ മയമോ നീയൻ മണിമേലേ ആരിരോ ഹരിരാരോ ഹരിരോ ഹരിരാരോ. I know there may be many mistakes in my wordings and tunings because I am related to Northern India. I am not a perfect singer, I am a follower singer, but my all the respected high gentry family members would excuse me for my mistakes and errors. Thank you very much for your highness for hearing, looking and taking interest in this video. Many thanks again and again in advance. Thank you very much. Thank you for your highness and generosity. Thank you.